The East Bay's best variety. I got my dude T Demo. And what is your name again?
Tito.
Yeah, grab a microphone, T.
Yeah,
Tito.
grab that.
Grab that. All right, most definitely. So introduce your guys yourself, who you are, where you from, what you do.
My name's T Demo, man. I'm with Our Hands Full Entertainment / Bay Love Productions. This is my boy Tito. You know what I'm saying? We're just doing it.
Yeah.
What's up?
Go ahead and say what's up to. Bring the microphone closer. Yeah, say what's up.
What's up?
What's up? What's up? Tito. That's what's up. All right, so you guys, how long you guys been doing music for? Demo, we'll start off with you, and then we'll go to Tito. So what's up?
Hey man, I've been doing since a hot minute, man. Ever since I was a youngster.
Yeah.
Up in being locked up as a juvenile, you know what I mean, and just started loving it, and it helped me get out of problems through life. You feel me?
Yeah. So what problems did it help you get out of?
Well, I'm here today.
I'm here, and it's a blessing.
Yes, sir.
Most definitely.
You know what I mean?
But about you, how did you get into music? And
I've been playing music since I was like 9 years old. And stuck to it. First instrument I played was piano.
Oh, okay. You play other instruments?
Yeah, I taught myself how to play drums and guitar just the beginning of this year. So ever since, I've been writing music.
That's cool. So you guys actually have this production company now together, right?
Yes,
or something?
We're starting it. Yeah, we're putting it together.
Ground up, baby. Ground up.
Let me know what's up with it.
All right, it's the name of it is Bay Love Productions.
Yeah.
And basically, what it is, man, is I remember as a youngster, like a lot of people do, when the Bay was trying to come up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And nobody really heard of the Bay. Yeah, you had Hella Heads, E40, Spice One. You had EPA up in there, Menlo Park. You had everybody's Frisco. You know what I'm saying? And what it was like a unity.
Unity for the community.
Yes, sir. And what I'm trying to do, what we're trying to do, is just bring it back a little bit, man.
Bring it back. Bring it back. Go ahead.
You know what I mean? With the new flavor. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, nah, man. It's just like I said, man. Everything, man. It's gonna work out, man. You know what I'm saying? And
yes.
For real, homie. You know what I mean? We're gonna do it.
Most definitely. For sure. So keep doing what you do, man. Demo. Let's go into projects that you have out. What projects do you have? What's popping with it from the past to the present? Give me the names, where we can get them at, the details.
All right, man. So yeah, first project out with me, anyways, is called 408 Ways.
408 Ways.
And really, man, if you actually look at the CD cover, it's me basically looking like I'm coming out of Frisco. I'm wearing Oakland. And it's 408 ways, so 408 ways.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Covering all the whole thing.
Yeah, trying to cover the whole thing, man. And what it is, I got the grimy, I got the club, I got the real story talking, I got everything up on there, man. You know what I mean? And after that, basically what we're working on is trying to do a project with the Bay Love and Bay Love compilation Volume 1.
When is that coming out?
Mid-summer probably next year.
Around that time, yeah.
Well, who's gonna be on it?
Hey.
Everybody, call
Hit
us.
us up.
510-723-6981. Right now, you can call that request line, and if you want to get on the album, they'll probably put you on.
You know what I mean? It's unity, baby. Bay Love.
Bay Love, that's what's up, man. That's what's up. Your most memorable moment in your career so far. Let's start off with Tito, then we'll jump off back to T Demo. Go ahead, man.
What was the question again?
Your most memorable moment in your career so far. What would that be?
Just writing music is pretty much it. I mean, I love music.
Yeah.
It's been part of my life. Music defines who I am, pretty much.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I don't have anything specific, like big, because I don't know.
So you making music, right? What influences you to do your music?
Life. Just sometimes like T Demo was saying, when you have a hard time, like music helps me escape. Escape and brings my spirit back up. Yes,
bring it up.
Yeah.
Bring it up. Most definitely so. So
into life.
That's what's up, yeah, because it's like another element of but it's great though. Congratulations, keep doing what you do, man, and much more to come. Let's go into your most memorable moment, T Demo.
It's actually, man, to be real, I was I believe 17 years old.
17. Got it our name.
I was in a group home.
What?
Yeah, I was in a group home over in like Santa Cruz area or something like that. And I didn't even be chosen, nothing like that, man. But what it was, man, everybody knew I flowed and everything else like that. We had guest people, so we're all in the the auditorium, and they asked the whole audience, "Hey man, who's got talent? This and that.
Who's got talent?"
And so everybody like get up there, demo, get up there, man. So I went up there and just did a little freestyle. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it was like real small, real simple, and everything else. And what was funny, man, is this dude was like, "Oh man, we got another Vanilla Ice." and one thing I remember he was saying was like, "This ain't no Vanilla Ice, this and that." And it made the whole crowd go wild, and it changed my whole life from that point on.
Freestyle status.
You know what I mean? It just changed my whole. It was like what 300 plus people.
Wow.
My first experience on that, so that changed my whole aspect on what to do.
Wow.
And man, honestly, I don't care what you do, man. You can do drugs, you can drink, you can do anything, man. But when you get on that stage and you got people just like looking at you and cheering you on, man, ain't nothing better than that, man.
Yeah, most definitely, man. So that's your most memorable moment.
Yes, sir.
Most definitely. By the way, man, I met you at a liquor store.
Yes, sir.
Tell them the story, man, real quick. How I met you, man, because it spiraled out of control, man.
Yeah, that whirlwind.
Whirlwind, man.
Yeah, man. It was in Gilroy, California.
Yeah. Go ahead.
And man, you know that liquor store got shut down.
It did?
Yeah.
When?
I don't know, man. Them fools went back to New York or something.
They did?
Yeah.
Wow, man. I used to get hooked up on some drink
there.
there.
Yeah, everything. You know
what
I mean?
Wait, hold on. So I met him at the liquor store, man, and I don't know how we met, man. I don't know if I was getting a blunt or a bottle or something.
I remember getting a card because I was new to the area, everything. I had my own spot and everything, doing everything independent.
Right.
And I was like, you know what, man? Because I just bounced from Florida.
Right. And East Coast to the West Coast.
You know what I mean? And I was like, you know what, man? I gotta do this music thing. I'm back in the Bay, man. You know what I mean? Solo bolo.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I gotta do it. So I was like, okay, let's do it, man. So I remember chopping it up with the liquor store owner, and he was like, man, you need to hook up with dude.
Yeah.
And he gave me your card, and I was like, all right.
Yeah.
So I called you, and you're like, yeah, man. Why don't you just let's meet at the liquor store.
Really?
Yeah, man.
I forgot that part.
What's really funny though is we turned around and did music because I was like, man, I do choruses, everything. Man.
Right.
And you're like, all right, let's do it.